Hey guys, this is Tim with BleepinJeep. In this video, we might be showing you how to weld with car batteries today, assuming we can get it to work. I have heard of people doing this on the trail in a pinch, wiring two batteries together with jumper cables and then using a welding rod, like a stick welder, to weld the part back together. Today, we'll be trying it with 3 batteries, or maybe 2, depending on how it goes. And I personally haven't done this myself. My friend Isaac, who I'm going to introduce you to today, knows more about stick welding than I do, so I'm pretty much just going to let him take over for this video.
Hi, my name's Isaac. I'm going to teach you how to weld with car batteries today. Now what you're going to need to do this is 3 car batteries, some jumper cables. You know, we made these nice jumper cables because we're professionals, but you don't need those. You can use some wire, vice grip it on. If you got batteries with screw-on terminals, you can wrap your wire around there, crush a washer over it. You can do whatever. It does not have to be fancy or nice. We also have, on the end of these, some Tweco connectors. They're to hook up to a little whip cable we have here. And you don't need that either, but it sure does make it nice. What I use, if I was out on the trail, which is what this is intended for, is a set of jumper cables. So what you're doing here to make this whole rig work is you're wiring 3 batteries in a series as opposed to a parallel circuit. And how you're going to do that is you're going to connect your positive to your negative, then your positive to your negative. And you're going to hook up your electrode and ground to the positive and negative on the opposite ends. The reason this works is because we're putting them in series, and that adds our voltage together. So we're taking 12 to 24 to 36 volts. Now 36 volts is the average of what most stick welders will run at a normal arc length in a closed circuit. Alright, so we're all hooked up here. We're ready to tack a couple pieces of scrap we found laying around together. I haven't actually tested any of these batteries, so we'll hope it works. So we found out our problem was our Interstate Megatron battery was very dead. So got a new battery, gonna hook it up. 38 volts. Okay, so we got everything set up here. We're welding with 7018 on reverse polarity, which is electrode positive. We got everything set up, so we hooked our stinger and our electrode up to our positive terminal of our battery, and we hooked our ground up to the negative terminal of the battery. Now we're ready to get welding. We're gonna set our batteries a little bit far away as we can, because you don't want anything going wrong. I don't like messing with batteries. So here we go. Cut to new seed.
Yeah, alright. Alright, so that's about all we could do with the batteries. We were hoping for a lot more, and both of us being welders, I think we brought a lot of expectations to this. And you know, maybe that's the best you can do with batteries. I'm not sure. I did look at some other YouTube videos, and it looks like some of those guys were able to maintain an arc better than we were, but their welds didn't look much different or better than what we achieved. In fact, I think we actually got somewhat of a bead, about 3/4 of an inch or an inch long, if you want to call it a bead. So is that the best that batteries can do?
You decide.
We really don't know. We have no idea. That's what we were able to do. We tried several things. First, we thought we had too much heat, and in fact we did. So we took away a battery, and that didn't help. So we put it back. We started cutting rods in half. We used 70/18 and 3/32 size and 1/8 inch size, full sticks, half sticks, quarter sticks. It was kind of like a roller coaster. The results were extremely variable. We couldn't get anything consistent from it. By the time we were done trying to figure it out, our batteries were dead. So if you guys have experience with this or know what we did wrong, I'd like to hear what you have to say, and we'll go from there.
I'll tell you what though, Tim, I'm not trying it out on the trail.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go buy a small portable welder and mount it in my truck.
That's a good point. You know, we were thinking about it, carrying a welding helmet, a bunch of rods, leads, connectors in our case, or jumper cables, whatever. It just doesn't seem like a viable option for something to depend on for breaking your rig out on the trail. It just seems kind of ridiculous to us. We were saying that if you were to break a shackle or something, instead of welding it back together, you'd be better off carrying a cordless drill, drilling some holes in it and bolting a piece of flat bar over the thing, you know, instead of trying to set this rig up. So that's about what we learned from it.
Go try it yourself.
Yeah, and like I said, if you know more about this or if you can do better, maybe post your results from battery welding on the BleepinJeep Facebook, and be careful doing it. You know, you're doing this at your own risk. We had some trouble with one of our terminals, the lead terminal. We had to upgrade to brass because it was melting. And like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I read online that if something's going wrong through electrolysis, hydrogen gas can be created. So that's not good with welding. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Sorry we didn't have a better result for you, but it is what it is. Check out BleepinJeep.com. Please thumbs up this video if you like this kind of stuff, and make sure to subscribe. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks, Isaac.
Hey guys, do you think you can make a video as good or better than this one? If so, we'd love for you to join our team. A lot of people don't know this, but YouTube actually pays when people watch your videos. You know those little ads that pop up before the video? If a viewer watches those for 30 seconds or longer, the advertiser has to pay YouTube, and in turn YouTube has to pay you. Also, those little ads that pop up at the bottom of the video, in the middle of the video, if somebody clicks those, then you get paid as well. So we are looking for more partners to join and grow our YouTube channel. If you want to do any kind of videos that pertain to Jeeps or off-roading, welding, building things, that kind of thing, make a video, let me see it, and we'll let you know if you make the cut or not. So thanks for watching. Again, make sure to like and subscribe, tell your friends about us, and we'll see you in the next video.